Changing frying oil too early increases costs and generates unnecessary waste. Changing it too late can violate hygiene standards, affect taste, and reduce customer satisfaction. The TPM confirmation type helps you avoid these risks. You can use the confirmation type whether you're using an EBRO FOM 330 Bluetooth device or any other TPM measuring appliance. If you click on Define Expected Value Zones, you will see our recommended pre-filled temperature ranges. These are based on the standard EBRO 330 guidelines. They are suitable for a wide range of general frying oil types. For specialty oils, ask your supplier for the appropriate limits and update them here. We recommend not changing the default settings for the measurement process, as they are optimized for working with the app. You can also decide whether Bluetooth data transmission is mandatory or whether the temperature and TPM values can be entered manually in the app. We suggest including a short step-by-step guide in the task on how to use the EBRO 330 device correctly. Regular oil quality measurements can save you several €100 per year and ensure compliance with your hygiene standards.